So problem number 3, what is the minimum depth of a vertical shaft that has to be driven at to reach a 45-degree dipping ore body which outcrops at elevation 1,400 meters if the shaft collar is located about 100 meters from the outcrop measured horizontally but an elevation of 1,380 meters. So according sa problem, at first kailangan natin visualize yung problem. So according sa problem, nadatay ore body nag-outcrop at 1,400 meters. So, nasa diri at 1,400 meters. Tapos nag-dip at 45 degrees. So, murag nana. So, from there, murag kani ang ore body nato. Now, if ang shaft collar daw nato is located about 100 meters away from the outcrop, since horizontally man, pag horizontally pa doon dito, masyad pa, inana, ni 100 meters. Question. Unsa daw ni kalalom? Unsa daw ni kalalom? Kay kani 1,380 meters man no. Kay ang 100 meters na shaft collar nato na horizontally measured is na daw sa 1,380 nga elevation. Ang question is, unsa na to siya pag-solve? So first, kailangan nato kailangan nato i-solve first ang kanina katas-on. So from 1,400 padulong diri So kailangan nato may bal-an ni na elevation. So mura siya mas dako pa dai na okay, subukan na ako drawing. So natay 1,400 diri kani atong dipping ore body. Kailangan nato ni bal-an na katas-on. So natay 100 meters diri tapos kalalom So first, gamiton na to ang TOA. Tangent, unsa atong angle? 45, di ba? 45 is equal to x, since wala pa man tay opposite, which is kay naman diri atong angle 45. Basta atong adjacent is 100. Pag i-plot na, i-cross multiply na to na sila, makuha tag 100 tangent 45 equal to x. Ang answer is 100 meters. So, ang atong adjacent is 100 meters daw from your elevation padulong diri So from there, pwede na nato i-minus ang kuan. Pwede na nato i-minus ang 100 sa 1,400 para makuha na to ang elevation So 1,400 minus 100 is equal to 1,300. So since nakuha na nato ang elevation 1,300, sunod na to kuhaon is unsa ni kalalom. Unsa ni siya kalalom? Since 1,380 man i-subtract na nato siya diri sa atong elevation na nakuha. So 1,380 minus 1,300 makuha tag 80. So from there, makuha na to ang 80 meters. So from solving, kani daw is 80 meters. So ang final answer nato is ang kalalom sa para maigo na to ang ore body is 80 meters.